So I got hit with the orange bug. I mean, I don't know what happened, but I just got an insatiable craving for oranges and things that were orange. And it really made me think maybe I should do some sacral chakra learning. So that's what I did over a 7-day period. I educated myself about the chakra and did exercises and practices that hopefully would support healing and having a healthy sacral chakra. So let's take a look at how that week went. And good morning. Keeping in the theme of orange, I only thought it appropriate to have my orange mug, which is going to have coffee in it, but I thought I'd add a tiny splash of orange blossom water. It's not quite the same as I don't know, an orange extract, I guess, but I don't know, just being orangey. This is instant. Cafe Bustelo, which I love. And since it's Sunday and we're being decadent, we have, yes, the extra creamy, which is just as good as ye old coffee cream to me. This is the weekend when I get to have a little bit of sugar in my coffee too. Treat, treat. Let's see what that's like. So this is really good. And like I said, I have my favorite Totoro mug. And of course, to keep my coffee hot, we do just like that. And what is not to like? Yay. I have really been craving oranges. I guess I just need that vitamin C. So I had an orange with my breakfast, but then I also went on and put some segments here in a Ziploc bag that I'm going to throw in the freezer because I want to try making like a creamsicle smoothie. So I have my mandarin orange peels here, and then I've been working with this Home Harmony Essential Oil Kit, and I'm excited because there is an organic sweet orange essential oil in here. So I plan on making my citrus infused house cleaning vinegar, and then I'm going to add a few drops of this sweet orange essential oil to really give a bright, uplifting fragrance for when I do my cleaning in the house. So at this point, I'm still on my vitamin C kick and thinking that this craving has a lot to do with the need for vitamin C. So I thought maybe some other ways of indulging in vitamin C would be helpful. I decided to indulge in a variety of vitamin C centric things, or sunshine centric, or just orange. So I have this foaming bath with a vitamin C and citrus essential oil. I have this vitamin C facial wash that I picked up at Ulta. I also found this at Ulta, this facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. I have this Renewal Cream Intense Defense by Avalon Organics with vitamin C. And since the sun has a lot to do with vitamin C, oranges, I thought it would be nice to incorporate this Sunshine Day plant-infused muscle and body oil. I also have back here, this is my last moon charged water. So what better time to use it than in this lovely orange self-care ritual. So since the craving for oranges and vitamin C and just orange things was so strong, I finally connected that to possibly the need to do intentional work on the sacral chakra or the orange chakra. So I decided to learn a little bit more about the sacral chakra, which is the seat of creativity and sensuality. And of course, the goal is to have a healthy, balanced, and open chakra. The body systems that go along with this chakra are the genitals, the bladder, and the kidneys. And what you might want to ask yourself around sacral chakra work is, are you feeling creative or are you feeling blocked or stuck? Do you have a healthy sex life or is it non-existent? Are you feeling sensual or are you feeling closed off? Are you open to expressing your emotions or are you feeling shut down? Another sign of imbalance is perhaps what would be called too open. Are you being overindulgent? Are your emotions running the show with anxiety or constantly being in your feelings? Another support that I used during this time was orange calcite. Orange calcite is a crystal that is uplifting, energizing, warming. It amplifies one's ability to assimilate light at the cellular level, opens the heart to the energy of the sun, and can help dispel darkness and grief, to help you with a feeling of joy and a sense of creative connectedness. I also looked up a variety of sacral chakra meditations and yoga practices so that each morning I could spend some intentional time focused on connecting with my sacral chakra. And another exploration that I thought was appropriate was reading this book here with an orange cover. That's why I picked it, but it was uniquely appropriate because it was about love and freedom and the ego and intimacy. And it asked the question if we're denying ourselves the possibility of finding love and happiness, which I just felt was appropriate to sacral chakra work. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is I have these are my frozen orange segments that I made the other day. And I have a frozen banana here as well. And I want to make like a creamsicle smoothie. There are certain herbs that support the sacral chakra. Some of them I used in my smoothie, such as ginger and cinnamon, vanilla, cardamom, coriander, clove, and we're gonna boom, boom, boom with the vitamin C. I might add a little honey because I do want this to be like a creamsicle, so it's like sweet. So I have my banana, my frozen orange, some coriander, cinnamon, and ginger. Now we're going to pour in our vitamin C pack. This is going to be super C. This is a super C smoothie. Now, because this is sort of a special treat, I'm going to go on and add just a little bit of this raw honey. Doesn't that sound amazing? Hawaiian macadamia nut blossom and multiflora honey. Let's add a little bit of that. Woo, not too much. Not too much. So this turned out delicious. I think my sacral chakra is very happy. This is so good. It's a creamsicle smoothie. Yes, it worked out really good. Perfect for the days. Orange. Nice. Our white vinegar has been sitting with these orange peels in it, and we are going to strain it here. And then I'm going to transfer it back to here. We'll add some orange essential oil, and this will be ready to go. And these are all of our orange peels here. And then as you can see in the bottom, our vinegar now has a nice orange, pale orange color. And then I'm going to transfer it back to the jar it came out of. But since I just want to be sure it doesn't have any orangey bits in it to clog up the spray bottle later, I use one of my tea strainers here that's a little bit finer mesh. And then we're just going to pour that in here. So that's about the yield you get. About half, a little over half. It smells great. It does not have that strong vinegar smell anymore. It has a light orange citrus smell, and we're going to boost it up by adding a little orange essential oil. And there we go. some of the ways that you can support the sacral chakra is by eating orange foods and naturally sweet foods and round foods and drinking lots of water and getting in a natural body of water. If you can't get in a natural body of water, then sacred showers or sacred baths. So I'd like to share this mantra that I learned for sacral chakra healing, and it is: creativity is flowing through me. I am creative and free. I experience emotions freely and with ease. So that about closed out my week. It was a really enjoyable exploration, and I hope you're inspired to do something similar, and I would love to hear about it. So please share in the comments below. And until I see you in the next video, take care.